All right, well, yeah, probably as expected, we want to distribute among three values, but again, it's no problem. I know I'm going to distribute 9 to the 4a, and distribution is multiplication. 9 times 4a's would give me 36a's. Now I can distribute the 9 to the 10b's. Again, I'm going to show this work. Not many students would show this much work right here, historically. But I'm showing it just so we can remember that distribution is multiplication. So again, how many b's? That's a lowercase b, it's not a 6. 9 times 10, it's 90 b's. It's positive, so I'm going to put a plus sign right there. Now this next one, when I distribute the 9, it's a 9 to a negative 7, so I'm going to show it as 9 times negative 7. Okay, why is it negative? It's because the 7 takes the operation to its left as its sign. It's negative 7. So 9 times negative 7 would result in negative 63. But notice I put the negative as a minus sign, and I see now that I have 3 terms in my expression, but they're all like terms. So I know I cannot combine these any further to simplify, and this would be my final expression from the distribution. Now, you may even say that's not necessarily simplified, which could be true, but it asked us to distribute, and that's why we did it. All right, well, this one has subtraction there. How are we going to use subtraction to distribute? Well, again, a common mistake here is where students may take this negative 6x and distribute it here. That's not what you can do. You can't do that because it's being separated by subtraction. And remember, distribution is always multiplication, not subtraction or addition. It's always multiplication. And so students would say, all right, well, what am I distributing here? This is where we got to go back, and we have to know that right here we are distributing a phantom 1. In fact, it's not even just a 1, it's a negative 1 because of the minus sign. Now that I have that, now I know I can distribute a negative 1. First to 6.8w, so again, that would be 1 times 6.8 w's. So how many w's is that? It's negative 6.8 of them. Okay, how about distributing negative 1? Again, it's negative 1 distributed to negative 5.6. Why is it negative 5.6? Because of the minus sign. Now, again, you can use your calculator here. You're going to get positive, so that's going to be a plus sign, 5.6. Then I can see the negative 6x. I'm just going to drop right there. So the last thing I'm going to do here is just check, is there any like terms that I can combine? And there's not. So this one's done. Now these types tend to cause a lot of problems with students on tests and things. You just need to remember that you are distributing a negative 1 right here.